going to go ahead on. Again, our topic is personal injury, and we do have several email questions to share this evening with you. And we're going to begin with our first question. And that question is, if you're injured by someone else, should you wait to see how the insurance company handles things or talk to a lawyer immediately? And thank you for your question. And we'll start with Mike, your advice is.
I always tell every client, look, talk to an attorney on the front end, because that is exactly what an insurance company is doing. So I recently had a truck accident. It was an 18-wheeler death case, and the insurance company had a team of folks, from accident reconstructionists to investigators. They were on scene within hours. So even in a minor case, though, they're talking to witnesses and gathering information to use against you. So I don't trust insurance companies. At the end of the day, these claims are a number to them. They're in the business of making and saving money. So I would tell you, level the playing field. Get an attorney that can help you level that playing field. Talk to witnesses, start building your case for you. So I say, in every circumstance, at least talk to an attorney on the front end.
You know, I've shared this before on LawCall when I was at the scene of a train derailment. And I won't forget, there was a young man out there and he was taking notes, and I thought he was a new reporter to the area. And come to find out, he was working for the insurance company. And this is right at the time, you know, just not very long after the accident happened during this train derailment. But it was just very interesting because he had one of those reporter pads and he was just sitting away taking notes. So good advice there. You know, they do come out in teams, and the information gathering starts very soon out after an accident. So
no doubt.
All right. Did you want to add anything, Rocky?
Well, a lot of big companies, especially big trucking companies, train companies, railroad companies, they have what's called a rapid response team. And that's really what you were probably seeing there is somebody who is called, you know, whether they're positioned in Jackson or somewhere in New Orleans, that's going to come out within a 200-300 mile radius for any substantial wreck where there's been loss of life or substantial injuries, significant injuries. And their job is to immediately take photographs, measurements, start talking to witnesses, find out what happened while it's all still fresh on everyone's mind before they leave the scene. That's a big advantage that they have against Mike and I for people that are injured, because when you're injured in a wreck and you've lost, you know, your ability to earn a livelihood, or you're in the hospital, the last thing on your mind is, I wonder what that witness's name was. I wonder how long those skid marks were. You're just trying to get better. You're just trying to provide for your family. But the insurance companies are in the business of, these happen, you know, 10, 20, 30 new ones a day. It's a business venture to them. Whereas for a person that's hurt, it's more of a human story, more of a human element, because it's your life. And so that's why you hire a lawyer quickly, is because we can do the things that the other side does while you're getting better. And that's why it is important to hire someone quickly.